All right, Todd's back. Some good news, bad news. Thursday, no weather, good news, will affect the Patriots-Steelers game in Pittsburgh. Right. They've got a primetime game, the Pats, so everybody's excited about that.
The bad news is no
bad
weather.
News is the Patriots will affect the Patriots game on Thursday, so we can't really get out of that one.
So they just lost 6-0.
Okay, but
at home.
First of all, they've lost 4 games where they've given up less than 10 points and still have lost. But anyway, they moved up. They're up to second now for worst record because Arizona won over the weekend, and the Patriots were the third pick. Now they have the second pick.
Do you think Belichick's going to trade out of that? We're not going to the Belichick.
We're not going there right now.
We're not going there.
Not right now.
All right.
No, not enough time. But anyway, good news for Thursday.
They lost 6-0 this weekend.
Yeah.
It might be another 6-0 game this weekend or Thursday.
I'm not sure the Steelers or the Patriots can
That's
score
what I mean.
6 points.
I don't think either team can score.
I'm going 2-0 final.
Safety. Someone's going to get a safety.
That's it. 2-0. It's going to be the Sox and the Pirates.
Right.
Forget the Patriots and the Steelers.
Oh my
Red Sox and Pirates on Thursday night.
Wow.
2-0.
Oh, wow.
This is like the worst. I mean, well, Pats fans had their glory days, that's for sure. Saw a lot of Super Bowls. Rangeley had a foot of snow, and a lot of this was kind of powdery. So that's great news, establishing this base up there in the mountains for ski resorts and snowmobiling. A lot of fun to be had over the next couple of weeks. Augusta, Bangor, Lewiston, this was about a half a foot of heavy wet snow, and it's like batter over all of the limbs and trees, and they're still kind of hanging a little bit. Not enough wind just yet to knock all that snow off. Steuben on the down east coastline did well too, with snow amounts around 4 inches. Our temperatures this morning are a notch colder than yesterday, and we had a fresh coating of snow last night, and it's actually still snowing in a lot of towns. The radar's doing a terrible job at seeing this snow. It's so low level, so low to the ground, the beam's going right over top of it. But many towns, you're going to wake up to a nice little coating out there, and with temperatures that are in the 20s, there's refreezing going on. Like Portland down through York County, crews didn't really necessarily have to go out yesterday and treat roads with salt because it was mostly wet snow that melted on the roads. So there are some problems. A lot of black ice. Be careful. Wind chills, just enough wind to create wind chills in the low 20s and teens. So this trough pivots out of here. The high replaces it, and it's going to be with us for the rest of the week. We missed this storm. It dives south and then out to sea. We're storm free for the next several days, like almost a week away from our next big event. Lingering light snow and flurries this morning, and again, fresh coatings have led to black ice and slick spots. You still need to use caution out there. All snow departs by the middle of the day and clouds begin to break up. Our temperatures aren't going to rise much today. Like yesterday, staying in the low to mid 30s. This afternoon, sunshine will be mixed with some clouds. When it's sunny, by the way, it's going to be very, very bright. A lot of glare coming off this fresh snow that we have. And untreated surfaces will ice up again as the sun sets. So back decks and front stairs may be slippery when you get home this evening. There are your highs today, almost 10 degrees below average again. In Bangor, that's the case, 31. Same in Augusta and Lewiston. The true cold spots will be up north, and the less cold ones will be to the south. Portsmouth, 37. Tomorrow, there's the offshore storm, and it continues to putter away. High pressure keeps us dry and pretty sunny out there, but it will be cold. Second half of the week, our temperatures struggle. By day, low 30s. By night, we'll be lucky to have double digits, like 10 to 12 degrees above zero. And then we have some hope for the weekend. Warm front comes through on Saturday, and we're seeing much warmer temperatures over the weekend. 40s return both Saturday and Sunday. That's going to lead to some rain Sunday night. Small crafts up, seas 3 to 4, north winds 10 to 20 knots. All right, here's the 7 days. Some flakes this morning, and then we get some afternoon sun, 30 to 35. Similar temperatures tomorrow and Thursday with a lot of sunshine. Friday, we're chilly still in the 30s, so not much melting the rest of the week. And then over the weekend, there will be some. But it'll be fun on Saturday with all this fresh snow. Lots to be done outdoors, 44 for a high, not much wind. Sunday, we see increasing clouds, going to get rain at night. And the way that storm is kind of shaping up right now, there could be another power outage event Sunday night with south wind this time, creating some problems. So hopefully that that weakens over the next couple days, or maybe the track shifts a little bit so we don't get that south wind, and maybe it's more of a southwest or a west wind. We'll see. We've got a lot of little details to iron out, but it's Sunday night into Monday morning,
Again.
which is
A
again
nice long stretch
Yeah.
of sunshine, if nothing else.
do the Christmas shopping, holiday shopping, errands getting done,
Yeah.
that kind of stuff.
Yeah, good stuff. Thank you, sir.
Sure.